Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video I'm going to show you how I make my flaxseed gel from scratch. This is super easy to do and it serves so many benefits for the hair. I like to use it as a pre-poo or ear mask. To begin with, we are going to need some flaxseed. So these are the brown one, but you can also use the golden one. You can use whatever one you have available. And guys, flaxseed is very beneficial for hair growth. So the next ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek has a lot of benefits for healthy hair growth. I'm going to give you each benefit of one of these ingredients as you're going down the video. So for the quantity, I'm going to measure 4 tablespoons of flaxseed and 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed. I add 3 to 4 cups of water to the ingredients and go ahead to boil it and allow it to simmer, and let it sit on stove for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes until it's ready. When you notice that your liquid is thickening and it's actually a little bit slimed in texture, so take it off the stove and we are going to go ahead and strain it right away while it is still hot. It's just make process a lot easier. So this is what it looks like. We are not going to get rid of this. I'm going to show you in the next video what I use this for. So I'm just going to go ahead and set that aside. So the liquid has cooled down and turned into gel, so you are going to transfer that into a container or jar that you can store and also use it on your hair. This can also stay in your fridge for about 2 to 3 weeks. So how to make use of this? I just lose my hair from my Africa 20 I did for 3 weeks and I need to detangle my hair. So I spray my hair with water first before apply it to my hair. Use my hand to finger detangle before using my wide comb. So on to the benefit of the ingredients. Flaxseed gel can help keep hair moisturized and prevent breakage. Flaxseed gel can help strengthen hair by improving elasticity. Flaxseed gel can reduce inflammation in the scalp, which can promote healthy hair growth. Flaxseed can also treat dandruff and nourish an itching scalp caused by dandruff. Flaxseed gel helps divine coils and make them more manageable. Flaxseed gel can help keep straight hair smooth and moisturized. Flaxseed gel nourish dry and damaged hair because it's rich in vitamin C and omega-3 fatty acid. Flaxseed gel can restore shine to hair. So flaxseed has a lot of benefits from hair. You can also do your research. Flaxseed gel is very good for hair. Fenugreek seed contain protein and iron, which may stimulate hair growth. Early research suggests that fenugreek seed may help with low to moderate hair loss in men and women. Fenugreek seed may nourish the scalp and promote healthy environment for hair growth. Fenugreek seed antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property may help reduce inflammation. Fenugreek help prevent premature growth for hair. It help repair damaged hair caused by heat styling tools. Fenugreek has a lot of benefits for hair. You can also make a research for it. So I'm going to apply it to my hair off camera. See you guys later. Anyways, this is after apply it on my hair, so I'm going to go ahead to use the remaining ones on my scalp and edge, then use a nylon bag to cover it for 5 minutes before shampoo it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please consider subscribing, like and share, and will help my channel out when you guys like my content, so YouTube will recommend them to other channels so they can also watch my channel. Feel free to leave any question that you may have in the comments. I always go to the comments to answer you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye.